The appointment is for 11 and it's currently see my face sounding like Ojuju Calabar. So OOT, the outfit of the day, will give us the view of this banner. I took videos of the laparoscopy machine. I think it's fine. It's just this thing I'm not so enthusiastic about. I'm currently prepping to go out. We are still in the holiday seasons and the kids are here. So the appointment is for 11 and it's currently almost 10. If it's not, so it's 9:45 now and the place is not closed. I create content for their brand. It's a hospital and today I need to go take pictures. They have some like updates in their facilities. Like I don't go there often. Last year I went there twice, only 2 times last year, but I'm still like, I create content and I post for them like 3 times a week, 2 times a week as the case may be, and all of that. This year I've gone there once, but we didn't finalize on what I needed, so we made a plan for me to come back again today. So I need to go there, take pictures, make some videos, so that when I'm creating the content, like I will just incorporate. They send me contents, they send me clips here and there, but sometimes when what I want to do is like I have a certain picture in my head of what I want to do and they're not getting it, I have to go there myself and get those footages. I've given the kids breakfast. I need to prep fast. Their water is in the bathroom. Once they are done bathing, I'll bathe and we'll dress up, and then we'll start going to Novel Hope Medical and Fertility Center. Yeah, I'll take you guys along with me to the hospital and just a little clip, little vlogs here and there. I might not like film the whole process, but I'll just take you guys along with me, show you what we have on there. Right. Yeah, so I was saying that I'm in such a hurry. See as I sweat. I'm sweating so bad, but if I turn on this fan, you guys will not hear me. See, I just carried one of the clothes that I already have in the house here that I ironed earlier this week. Not this week, yeah, earlier this week when I was making during my contents day. I just carried one of them and I wore it. I think I've worn this clothes before, but I didn't wear it out. I just wore it, made a video with it, and then I took it off. So it's not dirty and it's ironed. I don't have the energy. I can't go and be looking for clothes again. I'm already very, very late. I called someone to help me deliver my stuff and we're supposed to meet up at a particular location close to the house here. That's why I'm in a hurry to go out. I'm late, guys, so late. I'm even, I tell you something, and I lie. Sunscreen. Okay. Hey, Christina, enter my area, please. I'm sweating. See my face. Sounding like Ojuju Calabar. Normally, I'm supposed to massage this until it disappears, but I don't have the time. I need to just leave the house immediately. Let me on this fan, I beg. The heat is too much.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain. Can't be nothing, cause I just know you got me thinking.
I would like to get the one with this. Okay. And so I think we will try standing and then sitting. Let's see. This sitting will give us the view of this banner. They stand behind you. Yeah. Yeah.
No, just put your hands in front. Okay, so I have to tie it at the back. Oh.
just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush on you. I just wanna be your
I took videos of the laparoscopy machine, the incubator, and the anesthetic machine as well. So right now I'm going to take videos of the, what's this lab called? What is it? IVF lab. So I'm going to take videos of the IVF labs.
I'm just saying, you deserve it. I need you, baby, let me stay by your side. Come and show me. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush on you. I'm not the
I have taken all the pictures I need to take. This is a day in the life. This is what happens when we are creating content. I think I've taken all the pictures I need. I'll just ask if he needs any more pictures that we can take. Let me show him what I have for now, and then we'll be good to go. So yeah, I just came back. I've done the fruit salad, and I want to put this.
What are you doing?
So I want to put this Hollandia milk in it. Look it.
They're all tasting like milk now.
Are they?
My favorite juice is milk. They see today. Just like that, I was calling Jenna a kid. No, that's.
Should we do this?
Eh?
So
Oh,
usually when I buy detergent, this liquid soap and all, you need to really go to the market and get the stuff I would need to make liquid soap. But since I've not gone, usually I just buy small stuff. Move. I just buy
with soup. I'm so excited for me to see the machine.
Okay guys, so let me quickly show you guys my Temu package. This one came last night. I was surprised when the guy called me by past 8 or so to say that he was unavoidably delayed and he's passing close to my area. Can I pick up my package at that time? If it's too late, I should tell him he can still come tomorrow, but if I can pick it up, it's also fine. Yeah, so, but if I can pick it up from him at that time, it's also fine. I was like, okay, I can pick it up. So he came to my area. I just waited outside for him. He came, give it to me, and he's left. My area is not so, doesn't get lonely quickly. Like 8 o'clock is not late. 8, 9 is not even late. People are still outside and all. So I wasn't scared of security risk or anything. It's not like, I just wasn't scared. So I just went out, waited for him in at one of the shops close to my area, and then directed him there, picked up the item, and I entered my house. So yeah, so this is what came from Temu again. I have unboxed the Temu package earlier, and it came with a mixture of happiness and disappointment. Like I was really happy with most of the items, but like 2 of those items I wasn't happy with, because the pictures, they were different from what was on the picture. Like the reflector I ordered was so small. My husband even laughed at me and asked me if that was a hand fan or something. That's to tell you how small it was. I've showed it before, so let me not even talk too much. So this is I ordered this one I think a few days after those orders arrived, and I just hope that I'm not completely disappointed with what I got here. Although the story behind this order, oh my god, I don't even want to talk about it so that I will not even get angry. But Temu people, anyway, your PR, your publicity team is like doing a lot for you guys. That's just all I'm going to say. I don't want to talk too much. So let me just quickly open the package and I'll show you guys what it contains. Let me tilt the camera downwards so that you will see. There's no light though, so I'm filming in front of my window as usual whenever there's no light. That's it. Let me quickly open the package. This is the first thing. It's a set of glasses. I got this mic because the last mic I got for my camera didn't work. Like my camera did not accept it. So I decided to get this one. I just hope that this camera accepts this one because this one is expensive. The other one I could do without. I gave it out to my sister. Like her phone accepts it. It works perfectly well with her phone, but my camera didn't accept it. And that one I got it for like 2000 something, 2002 or 2004. But this one is quite pricey. It's expensive. So I believe that the camera should it had better accept this one. That's just what I'm going to say. Okay, so this is the first one I'm opening. I don't know. I know that most times eyeglasses have like face shape of face and everything, but I really don't know how to pick. But this one I picked. I really love it, but I don't know if it will fit my face. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I loved it when I saw it on the model on the site. I'll leave a picture of what I saw, but now I don't know. I'm looking at this face. Like I really don't like glasses with this kind of handle, and I didn't notice it. I was only looking at the front of the glasses. So let me see if it's going to suit me. Okay, what do you guys think? Is it pretty on me?
Yes.
I don't know. Is it beautiful on me?
Yes.
This is actually Blu-ray. It's a glass that you can use for your computer, your phone, so that your eyes do not tire out quickly. It's a Blu-ray glass, so I can use it for my phone and my laptop comfortably. I think it's fine. It's just this thing I'm not so enthusiastic about. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and this is one of the things I got from Temu. It's actually really sturdy. It's strong. Okay, it doesn't look fragile at all. So if it's about whether it's going to last or anything, I think depending on how you use it, it doesn't look fragile. That's just all I'm going to say. Until this battery die for my hand, I know go do fast to go charge them. Okay, so this one I'm going to save it for last. I already showed you guys this one. So it's like a USB extension. I can use it for my laptop. I can use it for my laptop because some of the USB ports on my laptop are beginning to misbehave. So I'll plug this in and then I'll have like a whole range of USB stuff to play with. But then the main reason why I got it was because of that lamp there. Is it showing on this stuff? Yeah. So it was because of that lamp there. I need to plug it to the socket that is behind this my bed frame, and it's quite far. So I'll get a charger head, plug this to a charger head, and then this is like an extender. Bring it out of the bed, like from behind the bed frame, and then I'll plug the Temu lamp, the lamp I got from Temu as well. So yeah, so this works. Hopefully it's working. I'll check it with my laptop real quick later and let you guys know if it's working. Then I got this set of rings. I have rings, fashion rings. All of them are gold, like gold colored. Not pure gold though. All of them are gold colored. Okay, so I wanted a silver set of rings, and I saw this one on Temu, and I got them. So I don't know how the quality is. I pray this is non-tarnish because it's not like it's actually cheap. I pray that this is non-tarnish. It looks sturdy, but now when I wear them, I go know whether not tarnish or no be tarnish. But yeah, look at what it looks like. It will fit all thing. I don't know. I think this one I cannot press it too. So I believe there's for some, like each finger of your hand has a particular ring suited for it. That's what I think. Oh, I don't know. This one I can expand it. I know I can expand it and it will enter No, this is my ring finger, so I most times I don't wear rings there, but this is quite small. I can expand it, sha. My phone, my battery is about to die, so I'll play with all of this and see the ones I like. The ones I don't like, I'll look for who to give it out to. But yeah, they look strong. They look like something that won't wash. But now until I start to use them, I go dey sure whether I know go wash, right? So this is the last item from Temu. My before my battery dies off, let me quickly try it.
Hold it fast. 3 more batteries.
Let me quickly try it. I have like one bar remaining. It's already blinking like crazy. So yeah, this is the fourth item from Temu, and yeah, this is it. So it's supposed to be like a microphone for my what's it called, camera. So I want to see if it will work well. I pray it works well with this camera. But yeah, this is the receiver. I'm trying to talk really fast if you guys notice. This is what I'm supposed to plug into my camera, and then these are the mic, and it even has like its own wind stuff. So I'm just going to plug it real quick. Let me see if it will work. This mic right now, I've just plugged it in and it seems like it's working. Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. You're welcome to Shonda's Corner. In this channel, we talk about content creation, growth tips, entrepreneurship, and business ideas, various ways to make money on the online space, and I throw in a lot of vlogs along the way as well. So if these are your vibe, if this is your vibe, if these are the kind of videos you enjoy watching, please click on the subscribe button to join the family. And turn on your post notification too, so that whenever I upload new videos on my channel, you'll be the first to know. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I love this one, this furry little thing there that goes over the mic. But like, yeah. So is there the real sheet now? And hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. You're welcome to Show This Corner. So guys, yeah, it worked. It worked, but I think I need to play with my camera a little more to know, like it picks the sound, but the voice is kind of muffled. It's very low. I think it has to do with a setting on this camera that I have to like really check. But yes, the microphone is working, and I'm really excited. I'm not disappointed with anything that came on this my last batch of Temu order or anything like that. But yeah, I'm happy. Let me quickly go and charge my camera before it will go off on me. Okay, I'll see you guys later in the vlog.